Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah. How about you?
My name is Richter.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Germany. And you?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, that's interesting. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I arrived yesterday.
How do you like the place so far?
It's beautiful and peaceful. I love the weather too.
That's good to hear. Are you here for work or vacation?
I'm here on vacation. What about you?
I'm here for a conference, but I'll explore the city later.
That sounds fun. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time as well.
What do you do for work?
I'm an engineer. I work with renewable energy projects.
Wow, that's impressive.
Thank you. What about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach English literature.
That's wonderful. Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, very much. I love working with students.
That's great. How long have you been teaching?
It's been around 6 years now.
That's a good amount of experience.
Thanks. Do you travel a lot for work?
Yes, quite a bit. I go to different countries for projects.
That must be exciting.
It is, but sometimes I miss home.
I can understand that. Family must be important to you.
Yes, very much. I try to visit them often.
That's sweet. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one younger sister. She's a doctor.
That's amazing.
Thank you. Do you have siblings too?
Yes, I have an older brother. He's a photographer.
That's cool. Does he travel for work?
Yes, sometimes. He enjoys nature photography.
Sounds like he has a creative job.
Yes, he really loves what he does.
So, what places are you planning to visit here?
I want to see the old town, the museum, and maybe go hiking.
That's a great plan. The museum here is fantastic.
Have you already been there?
Not yet, but I've read great reviews.
Maybe we can go together sometime.
That would be nice. I'd love that.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, very much. I try to hike whenever I get a chance.
That's great. Nature is very calming.
I agree. Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I like hiking, biking, and sometimes kayaking.
You're adventurous.
I try to be.
Do you take photos during your travels?
Yes, I love capturing moments.
Me too. I carry a small camera with me always.
That's awesome. Do you share your photos online?
Sometimes. I have a small blog.
I'd love to see your blog sometime.
Sure, I'll share the link with you.
Thanks.
What kind of books do you like reading?
I enjoy novels, especially historical fiction.
That's interesting. I like science fiction and biographies.
Nice. Do you read often?
Yes, I try to read before bed.
That's a good habit. I do that too.
What's the last book you read?
It was The Book Thief. Have you read it?
Yes, I loved it.
Me too. It was emotional and powerful.
Absolutely, the writing was beautiful.
Do you enjoy movies as well?
Yes, especially documentaries and thrillers.
I like thrillers too.
That's nice. Do you have a favorite movie?
Maybe The Shawshank Redemption.
That's a classic. I love that one too.
What's your favorite?
Probably Inception.
Oh, that was mind-blowing.
Yes, it made me think a lot.
Do you like music too?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Me too. What genre do you prefer?
Mostly instrumental and rock.
That's cool. I enjoy pop and jazz.
Music really connects people.
I agree completely.
It's been really nice talking to you.
Same here. I enjoyed our conversation.
Would you like to exchange numbers?
Sure, why not?
Great, here's mine.
Thanks, and here's mine.
Maybe we can meet for coffee tomorrow?
I'd love that. What time?
How about 10 in the morning?
Perfect. See you then.
See you?